Hello, good afternoon. Today we'll talk about an important topic that is named transportation and custom regime contents, introduction, important products and destination, and type of container, packaging, labeling, signaling for the marketing of pharmacy, and they G. Drugs and labeling and commercial deals, documents too important in Mexico, Ecoterms, conclusion and reference. Introduction. Today, organization are faced with the challenge of world scale and constant challenge in innovation, so they must find a way to survive in this globalized and competitive world. Many companies choose to sell their products at very low price because they do not want to find a solution, so other companies will definitely go out of business. Important products and destination. The products that will be important are pharmaceutical drugs that will be of great help to supply the pharmacy they and to provide better service to customer and excel as a small business. Type of container packaging, labeling, sync for the marketing of pharmacy D and G, drugs container, official Mexican stand, non 73, stability of drugs and medicine, official Mexican star non-002, list of the most commonly transported hazard, substance and materials, instruction and use of container and packaging, intermediate containers that establish the specifications that the materials must meet which use to transport pharmaceutical drugs. um, Labeling the official Mexican Santa Nom 50, the name of the appellation aims to establish the the commercial information that must be contained in the products of nationalized manufacturing and of the foreign origin generic. It may refer to the nature of the product, production system, or production and transformation methods. And Mexico trade trades. Mexico has 30 free trade agreements in which 50 countries are regrouped, which shown that it is one of the most open economies that exist. A continuación o continuous se mencionarán uno de los acuerdos de su rango de importancia. One, United States and Canada and Mexico Free Trade Agreement, and two, Asia Pacific Economic Corporation Forum, three, Free Trade Agreement between Mexico and the European Union, four, North American Free Trade Agreement only with Central America. Five, Trans-Pacific Economic Cooperation Agreement. Documents to export and important in Mexico. Commercial invoice and certificate of origin of article from different countries. Consignment and not authorization to cover the transport of goods. Insurance policy. Packing leads. Instruction later. Pro forma innovation. Ecoterms. It used when the share difference the merchant chains of board the cargo ship and where the transportation will take place. The risk of the operation is terminated from the moment the market change is won on board and the buyer assumes all the costs of the operation at this time. Conclusion. In conclusion, it can be said that international trade activities are vital from the development of country because strong trade activity people and companies improve their quality of life and economic run. As country and their companies become more interdependent, the importance of international trade increases. Today we already to international trade. It's not limited to the exchange of products, but also includes the flow of resource and capital, which is important for international trade. This flow of products, resource, and capital contribute to the run of the economy, the profitability of the company, of the and the well-being of people. Bibliography source reference. Thank you.